Model, 2007 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 100 PS 330 high roof 80 km excellent runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 80,738. MOT failure couple of small bits of welding. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, reversing camera, 3 keys.